managers, I would like you to prepare for the Logistics Nightmare Year 2025. You have 4 more years to prepare. Number 1 nightmare for logistics is customers' expectation is increasing. Number 2, supply chain visibility is required by our individual and business industry. Number 3, you have to prepare that there will be talent shortages for skilled professionals and skilled drivers. Number 4, our logistics requires the cold storage for vaccines and perishable items. Number 5, environmental sustainability. Let me give you the details in number 1. Customer expectation are increasing. Customers want good products, faster delivery at low cost or no cost. Supply chain visibility is required by individual and business clients. They want to know the location of their products and how soon they can receive their products. They want to know the name of the shipping vessel, the location of the shipping vessel, the container van number, and the bill of lading number. The solution suggested by usually American companies, they rely on digitization or software. I always mention that we need good people and good process. Well, anyway, digitize, no problem. Number 3, this is the worst third nightmare, that there will be a talent shortage for logistics staff. We will have shortages in skilled professionals and skilled drivers. So I would suggest that logistics officers should train your trainer to train your internal personnel for future expansion and agility to manage the complex operations in logistics. Or you can hire fresh graduates. Management graduate will do, even though they are not majoring logistics, but we have to train them internally. The requirements for cold chain storage for vaccines, because from this year onwards, we will be delivering 18 billion doses of vaccine around the world, and it requires 8,000 units of Boeing jet 747-400. This is the biggest commercial jet. We need 8,000 of these units in order to deliver the 18 billion doses of vaccine. Number 5, sustainable environmental sustainability. Sooner or later, we will be reducing the use of fossil fuels, and many trucks will be eliminated using the polluted crude oil that destroys the ozone layer and the environment, as well as the pollution against human. So maybe we will go to e-delivery like Egypt, even shipping vessel. We do not know. Sooner or later, shipping vessel can be also run by electric or by battery in order to minimize pollution. There will be a great change in logistics 2021, 2025 onwards. There will be minimal requirements for seafarer for delivery, because I know some others have developed the remote control system for shipments. Thank you very much. If you have some more questions, email me, message me, so we can respond for the solution of your business. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for viewing, watching, and learning. Thank you.